Hi friends, welcome back to SPK English Academy. In today's class, I am going to introduce you main important literary concepts and their creators or originators. So in every year's NET and KSET examination, there are 4 to 5 questions regarding the literary concepts and who coined those concepts. So that's why in today's video or class, I am going to introduce you some of the important literary concepts. Now look at the concepts and their originators. The first one concept by John Keats. See, John Keats introduced negative capability and egotistical sublime. So these two are the concepts introduced into English literary theory by John Keats. Next one, Wordsworth. Spots of time, rites of passage. Coleridge. The willing suspension of disbelief and fancy and imagination. Next, William Blake. The mind forged manacles. M.A.K. Halliday. Interlanguage. Michael Foucault or Michel Foucault. Discourse and power. Helen Showalter, feminist critic. Gynocriticism. Goethe and Goldfried Herder introduced world literature. Clint Brooks, Heresia paraphrase. You know, this Heresia paraphrases concept is asked in many cases and also net question paper, previous net question papers. Edmund Husserl, phenomenological criticism, Dasein, intentionality. So these are the 3 concepts introduced into English literary theory by Edmund Husserl. Next, Helen Sixers, French feminist critic. Écriture féminine means feminine writing. Zvetan Todorov, narratology. Claude Lévi-Strauss, binary opposition. Metamins, structural anthropology. Brick days. Next, Aristotle introduced peripatia, hamartia, catharsis, 3 unities. 3 unities means unity of place, unity of action, and unity of time. Next, Jacques Derrida, aporia, difference, deconstruction, creature, logocentrism. So these are the 5 concepts introduced into English literary theory by Jacques Derrida. Next, Marshall McLuhan, the media is the message. This concept was asked in the last year's KSET examination. Stanley Fish, American critic, he introduced the concepts interpretative communities, phenomenological approach, and epistemological theory. Next, Hans Robert Jas and Wolfgang Iser introduce implied reader. Implied reader. Stephen Greenblatt introduced new historicism into English literary theory. Clifford Geertz, thick description. Homi Bhabha introduced hybridity, ambivalence, mimicry, the stereotypes, the nation, otherness, syncretism. So these are the concept introduced into English literary theory by Homi Bhabha. Next, Stephen Greenblatt, New Historicism. Clifford Geertz, thick description. Homi Bhabha, hybridity, ambivalence, mimicry, stereotypes, the nation, otherness, syncretism. This is repeated. This slide is repeated. So these are the literary concepts introduced into English literature by different critics of different countries. So you have to remember these critics and their concepts, and also you have to find out the meanings of these concepts. So in every year's both net and KSET question paper, there is a question on these literary concept. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you do subscribe now. Now I am doing all the literary concepts videos. At least 10 videos are there. And also you have to share and like the videos. Thank you for watching this video.